Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back with another new informative video. I hope you all are doing well. Today the topic is forex trading platforms in USA. So there are some platforms and some files. I choose this one and I will show you some information about it. Select country, USA states. Okay, now uh page I will show you some information about it and the complete forex trading experience. Okay, open an account like a demo account. Okay, forex trade over 80 fx pair with a USD spread as little 00 and low commissions, stocks, multi-assets, and trading high through asset stone wealth management, including stocks, ETFs, options, and more. And unified platform StoneX one and gold and silver access edition and imposture into an average and the post support metal and related to trading. Okay, future and options trading, future and futures option trading available with other affiliates, further online. And Forex explained, a quick snapshot of FX यानी कि Forex trading is the act of speculate on the movement of in exchange prices by buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. There's no larger market with an average turnover in excess of 7.5 trillion a day. Currency prices are consistently and fluctuating and creating endless trading opportunities in the world's most traded market. According to BIS, Forex never slips as a globally traded market. The foreign exchange market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Sunday to Friday. Our platforms are well equipped and to handle the spontaneous market is stimulation that comes with each piece of breaking news worldwide. What is forex trading? Forex trading has grown even more popular with retail traders like you. But what exactly is forex? What is forex trading? Why trade forex overflowing with opportunities, 24 hours and no commissions, and with the tight speed for um, a standard account. See why forex is the most traded market in the world. How to trade forex? Want to know what a forex trade looks like? This section and details how to place a forex trade on our platform. Market leading FX pricing, raw prices and speed only. USD, okay, this is buy and spread. Sale, buy and spread. Sale, buy and spread. Sale, buy and spread. Sale, buy and spread. Okay. Award winning FX trading apps. There are some apps: Daily Forex Move and News. Okay, this is the information about it. Forex.com. I hope you I hope my video is very helpful for you guys. So please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more. Um, more informative videos. Okay, now thanks. Bye. Allah Hafiz.